This is easily my favorite ride of all time. Hiccup's Wing Gliders at Epic Universe is amazing. I had high hopes going into this ride. I needed one thing for them to do for me, and they delivered. Test Drive by John Powell from How to Train Your Dragon is my favorite song of all time, and it plays on board. It is exceptionally well done. The ride is smooth, fun, and the vibes are outstanding. The only thing I wish they did is turn the music up a little bit more.